Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to transfer money from KeyBank to an external bank account. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're signed in, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Transfer. Now, select the From and To account. To select the To account, click on the drop-down arrow. Then the list of external bank accounts will appear. However, if you haven't added any external bank account, click on Add External Account, and follow the on-screen instructions on how to add. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You could also change the frequency by clicking the drop-down arrow on the frequency field. Once you're entered all the necessary information, click on Review Transfer. Before reviewing, read their terms and conditions. After that, click on the Accept button to show that you assent to the above authorization terms. Now, review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit Transfer. And now your transfer has been submitted. It might take up to 4 days for your transfer to be processed. That's how you transfer money from KeyBank to an external bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.